In the twilight of his adventurous days, Don Quixote sat in his modest manner, his eyes no longer gleaming with the fervor of youthful idealism, but softened by the wisdom of age. The once vibrant images of chivalric tales that had danced in his mind were now faded memories. Yet the essence of his dreams still lingered, flickering like a candle in the dark. Sancho Panza, now a seasoned squire with more gray in his beard, sat beside his master. Their bond had deepened into something akin to brotherhood, forged in the fires of countless misadventures. It was on one such peaceful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, that a messenger arrived with a letter sealed in crimson wax. The letter bore news of distress from a far-off village plagued by bandits. Though his body protested with aches and pains, Don Quixote's spirit reignited. This was an opportunity, perhaps the final one, to embody the chivalric virtues he held so dear. Sancho, ever the pragmatist yet devoted, agreed to accompany him on this last quest. The journey was arduous. Gone were the days when Don Quixote would charge heedlessly into battle. Now, he moved with a calculated grace, each step measured, each decision weighed with the experience of a lifetime. Sancho had evolved too. While once he followed his master out of mere loyalty, he now understood the importance of Quixote's ideals, even if they were born from delusion. When they arrived at the village, they found it in chaos. The bandits were not the simple ruffians of chivalric romances, but were organized and ruthless. Undeterred, Don Quixote formulated a plan that blended his imaginative strategies with Sancho's practical insights. They rallied the villagers, instilling in them a sense of courage and purpose. Under the banner of the ancient ideals that Quixote had always cherished, honor, bravery, and justice, they stood united against the bandits. The final confrontation was fierce. Don Quixote, though older and slower, fought with a tenacity that belied his years. Sancho protected the villagers with dogged determination. In the end, they triumphed not because of brute strength, but because of their unwavering commitment to a noble cause. As the village celebrated their newfound peace, Don Quixote and Sancho took their leave. For Quixote, it was a victory that affirmed the validity of his lifelong quest. For Sancho, it was a testament to the power of blending idealism with realism. As they rode into the sunset, Don Quixote looked at Sancho and said, "My friend, we may be but two men against the world, but today we have shown that even the most impossible dreams can inspire greatness." And with that, Don Quixote, the man of La Mancha, embarked on what he knew would be his final journey, but this time with the satisfaction that his dreams had, in some way, shaped reality.